All right, so the trade isn't moving good, which I think is we should close it. But we're gonna wait for if the current candle respects the previous 30-minute candle's high, then only we're gonna hold it. All right, closed it. We just closed this trade, and we're just gonna then wait for breakout. We're gonna stuck with the 30-minute time frame only, just because problem is on 15 minutes nothing is clear. We're gonna be stuck with stick with the 30-minute only. Let's see how this thing goes. We have one stop loss. Let's see if we can get one best trade, which we can. Just need to wait. Just need to wait. Just need to wait for 33 minutes. Damn, this looks rejection area here. We need a close above. $89, not 85. Let's see now. Price just moved up from right here after giving the rejections, small bodies. That was the problem I mentioned in the previous stream, which was ended by some internet issue. Let's check it out. 7 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close, and 15-minute looks like, bullish. Let's see. How things will go. All right. Come on. Gold is a bitch sometimes. Sometimes nothing is better than that. You gotta appear and live up to it. It's for sure. It is for sure. Let's see. Just waiting at this point, and we got how much? 5 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close. And if it closes like above 39.89, then there's a potential bias above till here. For shorts, I want to see price to, the 19 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close, and 4 minutes left for current 15-minute candle to close. Just waiting at this part. Just waiting this point. Let me make it precise. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream, and let's see how gold goes up. How do we share the polls here? I don't know. How do we share the polls here? Brahmuddin, you are waiting to close above? Yes, bro. We are waiting to close above, and as it closes above, we're gonna decide on the next candle that how it moves, and the way it's going to move, we're gonna take a buy then, because there's a lot of potentials for buying for now. Market moved a lot down, and as you know, the weekly candle is also on a rejection point. Okay, unfortunately the live was ended due to some technical issues, but we covered it. We are going to cover it. We hit our one stop loss. Now we're gonna be waiting for the next trade. We need price to close above 39.89, then we're gonna decide to buy. See, 4 hours risky, man. I mean, can break above and come all the way upside till here. 4 hour looks great. Other than that, if it doesn't and it breaks its own low, then it's gonna be filling up the whole wick from here. That's gonna be problem for the buyers. The only problem for the buyers, I would say. 1 hour, if it breaks above the previous candle, yeah, it can continue pushing up. Daily looks like we are on the rejection point, and we are rejecting from all the way from here, 39.44, and it's coming up. Let's see. Stick to the 15-minute. 15 minutes look very more messier. This, okay, so 15-minute candle is just closed. We love this level. Making this rejection, leaving us with 130 pips, 35 pips, which is great, and which gives us a structure, which means we're gonna be having that potential sell area. $39.77. All we need is just break above or break below. Now we got the structure, we got the no trade zone. We got the sales, potential buys. Let's see what market gives us now. Still waiting for the 30 minute to close. If it closes like that, the bullish one above the rejection, it's going to be a very good opportunity for the buying then. See, the levels are so huge. For 260-70 pips, yeah, that's amazing, massive. We still have 13 minutes left for current 30 minute candle to close. If it closes like this above these rejections, then just don't hesitate to buy. What risk reward ratio? Bro, the risk reward ratio I use mostly the 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. That's the mostly used risk reward ratios by me. 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. That's it. That's it. And I plan to lose less. I mean, if I'm planning to lose $1,000 on a trade, but I try to lose less, like 800, 600, like 500, something like that. Half of my risk. That's the risk management. That's the magic of risk management. Okay, just waiting at this point. Just waiting at this point. Sounds great. Exactly. That's amazing. See, the risk reward ratio is kind of a myth that you have to use 1-to-100, 1-to-50 risk to reward, 1-to-10. That's a mess, bro. That's for the swing traders. I mean, if you hold that much amount, that much trade, and still, I guarantee that 90%, 95% of traders are broke. Are gonna lose yet having the bigger risk to reward ratios. Often they're gonna be hitting their stop losses. All you need to control is your risk management, no matter what win rate you have. Even though you can be profitable having the 35% win rate, it doesn't matter. I know some guys who are having like 80%, 90% win rate, and yet they are not profitable. And that's not just because of they have the bad strategy, it's just because they have wrong psychology on their risk rewards and the risk management. These two things are very important. Are very important. Just waiting in this point. And just watching the things. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. If you guys want, share your charts. Let's say if you have 50k account challenge, what is your risk per trade? Bro, on the prop firms, my risk is totally different. My risk is only based on the daily drawdown I have. That's it. I don't like, let's say I have a $50,000 account. I don't treat it like a 50,000. I treat it like the 5% of it, and that's just $2,500. And if you have a $2,500, what lot size would you use on that? That's your risk. That is only risk you have. You cannot just put the 5 lot size according based on the 50k. All right, so you just have to do 25, 0.25, okay, 0.20. That's going to be your lot sizes. That's the max. Or max is going to be in an E plus setup, A plus setup. That's going to be what, 0.50, half standard lot size. You don't treat your $50,000 funded account as a real funded account. Damn, we have a impulse entry. We can have an impulse entry right here. But the problem is 30-minute candle is still open, and we cannot risk on that because we already had one stop loss being eaten. Already have one stop loss is being eaten. So not gonna be doing that on risk. Not going to risk on that. What the fuck? What the fuck is just happened? Okay, I took a small risk on the my funded account. Let's see what happened. Okay, the screen got, your screen is off. All right. Okay, so I am taking a small risk on my funded account, that is, which I am closing now. I was supposed to, hold it like till here. It's a funded account. The small funded account I had like $2,000. That's it. That's it. That's it. I made $13. Now let's go back to our. That was an impulse entry, but on my main account, I'm not going to take an impulse entry until the 30-minute is closed. Until the 30-minute is closed. Where is SOT? Here we go. See, we had this one stop loss hit today. Yeah, this one, $600, 60 pips. This is why we not gonna take an impulse entry on this trade until the 30-minute candle is open. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna be waiting for 5 minutes. But if we miss it, we miss it. No problem. Did you take a buy? Yes, Rom. I did took a buy on the impulse entry, based on the impulse entry on my funded account. It was a small buy. Let me show you. That was a $2,000 funded account, the small account from the Maven. Yes, this one. $13 being made today. 14 overall. Yes, sir. Only 2 trades taken on this one. One was the sell, but I closed it into the break even earlier because I sensed something was wrong. I closed it and then we took a buy. It's a small account. We don't have to risk a lot on this one. I'm gonna be using my main account, this one, for the real trading. For real trading. Just waiting at this point. Waiting at this point. I have 4 minutes left for this candle to close. Now the problem is the stop loss is going to be bigger. closes like this, take a buy. We have 200 pips yet, but the stop loss is not making sense, man. Stop loss is not making any sense. We could have an impulse entry. This is what I was talking about. You could have an impulse entry right here, could have held it here, and take your take profit would be at this point. That's a buy. Trade closed? Yes, sir. The trade is closed, bro. Because I had to open the account and all that stuff. That took me time, and the trade got delayed. My stop loss was so big, so I had to close it at some good profit, decent profit, not good profit. I also missed your live stream. Don't worry, bro. You can have, you can join the live stream at the time of 9:30 Dubai time, AM. 9:30 Dubai time, you can join stream. Let me put the time right here. That's the time. That's the time, and the price is moving. The price is moving. The price is moving. Missed that trade on the impulse entry, but it's okay. I booked some profits on my live account. Sorry, my funded account. On the funded account, I had booked some profits, but missed that trade on my live account. I mean my main account. It's okay. Still $13. It's huge. Damn, the price. Look at this. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. Look at the freaking volume. That's crazy. Nice volume, the best impulse. Exactly, bro. I mean, you know, is there any volume indicator? No, bro. See, the volume indicators are what I would say. They have no the future data. They only predict the previous data only. Okay, so only thing you can predict the volume accurately by watching at the candles like this. And the time. Mostly, the most important point is the time. See, it's a pre-London. We have 30 minutes left for the London Open. Okay, 30 minutes left for the to London Open, but you see it in the pre-London. This is why I used to trade at this time, because you have clean ranges. Okay, the clean setups to go on to it, like this one today. Amazing. Amazing. Can we take any other trade? Yes, you can take any other trade, but not for the buys. You have to wait for a rejection. Okay, a rejection, because we are, look at this, we are at the low, sorry, in the downtrend. So if this move is being made, okay, if this move is being made, then you just wait for a rejection, the candle to close like this. On this candle, let me zoom in. You need to wait a candle to close like this. Yeah, close like this. You can buy after the next candle to break below this level. You can have a sell here. You can put the stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle, okay, the high, and you can put your take profits right at this point. That would be an amazing trade. That would be an amazing trade, but not for the buys. It's missed. It's okay. You just have to wait now. There's no need to push and rush for the new trades. All right. All right. All right. So it's kind of a supply now here. Let's see if it respects it or not. If it didn't respect it, damn, the candle is going to be up. Up somewhere out here. Wait for the structure. Exactly, Karishma. We are just waiting for the structure now, right now. No trades at this point. No trades at this point. Damn, I could have held the trade for at least right here. I entered somewhere out here. I closed it right here for 60 pips, but it just moved up 200 pips. That's $80 on what trade I have took. Plus, oh, oh, look at it. The volume is beautiful. The volume is beautiful. The cold is crazy. Cold is crazy fucking shit. Can we go long again? For the long, bro, just wait for price to come down, make a support, and then you can buy. But not at this point. If you buy here, where you put your stop loss is going to be all the way down here. It's 200 pip, almost 200 pips stop loss. And where you would put your take profit, there's no clean range at this point. For 70 pips, you will put like 200 pips in your. That's not good. I mean, you are making just $80 and you're putting $200 in risk. That's not wise. That's not smart. Just wait for it to come down, create a support, and then continue pushing up. Because the sell trade is got invalid. It should have rejected from here, but it couldn't reject due to the high volume, and it continued pushing up. Take a look at the weekly. Damn. Weekly rejected all the way from here in the seconds. All the way from here in the rejection point. That's awesome. That's awesome. That shows us the buyers are sitting here. 4 hour. As I told you guys, the 4 hour is gonna come here if we break above this 4 hour candle high. It came up. Congratulations. Congratulations. Just waiting for a structure forming, support to be created, and then continuation. That's it. That's it. Not forcing anything. Is there any news? No, bro, there's not no news, but there's a statement. A statement by Trump that we have agreed that Iran have requested for the ceasefire meeting in Qatar, Doha, its capital. So there's a statement, and due to that statement, and again, there's going to be a ceasefire meeting. According to the Trump, that could be the volume intake for the market right now. That could be the reason behind that. And as you see, the technically we were sitting on the area of rejection on a weekly time frame. So we got both technical and fundamental reasons just because of that volume, that spike. We got two reasons. One, the statement from the Trump. Two, we got the rejection area from the weekly. Other than that, there's no major news, I think. Let's take a look here on Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Okay, the CB consumer confidence, that's not a big deal. And for Friday, for Thursday, sorry, we got the non-farm payroll. It could be same thing that the pre-market volume, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Just waiting for it now. I'm gonna be waiting for 10 more minutes if that works. Other than that, we are going to off our live stream. Keep live stream for NFP. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. You know, we're gonna be let's do a live stream on the NFP this week on Thursday. All right, let's do it. We will be live on the NFP. Let's gamble on NFP. Let's see how NFP rewards us or take money from us. Who knows? Let's do this. I think it will consolidate now. It's a high movement now than two in the pre-London. Let's see. What I think is it's just a rejection from a weekly. Now it has two scenarios. Either it creates a support and then continue to its destination upside, or it can reject, create a market structure for the shorts. We will see. We will see. Like the live stream, guys. Like the live stream. It's amazing. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you guys are not in my like the Telegram channel, go into the bios of this channel and join my Telegram for the daily updates. As for now, the fundamental updates are coming up. I will be posting that soon today in my Telegram and would be explaining that more. Like done. Thank you, Karishma. Damn, my funded account got lucky today, not my real account. Imagine the impulse entry we could have above this. This 300 fucking pips. 300 pips. But it's okay. If we miss it, we miss it. We don't force it. As we are disciplined traders. The disciplined traders. We don't force our entries. We don't force our entries like others. When is the Forex Expo in Dubai? It's in September, I guess. I think so. It's in September. If you wanna come there, I can send you an invitation because I will be hosting their, uh, a seminar. But the visa and tickets are up to you. I mean, I can just send you an invitation. Amazing, amazing. Hit me up in my DM. Great. I'm coming there, bro. I'm Dubai, and every single, after 3 months, 4 months, I take a very good tour at Dubai. That I will take care. Amazing. Great. Come, let's meet. Let's host you. I will be speaking from, behalf of Dominion Markets and also the Godu, these two brokers, which I'm partners with. So we'll be hosting this seminar there. Already invited like more than 15 people. The good, well traded people. And they are even my clients also in some sources. And some are my good friends. If you want, then just hit me up on my Telegram. I will share you the details, a month before. So you can come. I mean, we had like best management. Let me hide it first of all. Let me show you the picture. Our team got awarded. Awarded. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me hide it first. If I have that picture. Yes, I have this picture. Okay. You see this? This is me. Okay, and this is the Excellence Award of 2026 in the January, and we had the Best Management Award. Best Management Award in Dubai. That was great. This is our team. All right. Price is moving yet. It's not even stopping. I think it's going to be continuation up. You just have to wait for a support to be created. If a support is going to be created, then it's going to be so easier for gold to continue pushing up. Then don't blindly open a trade here. Don't blindly even don't even think of executing a trade above. Never. You will be stuck and lost overall. Just need to wait. Just need to wait. The Trump, that motherfucker is so true. Well, the stock market even for the gold trading. That is so hilarious. The streets can Truth Social can make this kind of movements within just seconds. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head off now. Okay, take care everyone, and we'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time for the pre-London session, and we'll have some more opportunities. Let's see. Have a good one. Bye bye. Adios amigos.